Aries, my fire babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. If this page been a blessing to you, your word of the day is faithfulness. Faith without works are dead. This key to this door is consistency. We need you to stay consistent with your drive, with your intellect, with your intuition, with your work. If you show up to work every day, that's how you continue to get your paycheck, because you're watering the job that you actually hire you. You're watering the services. So what I want you to do is water your gifts every single day. Show up and show out. I commit to my mind, heart, and will. I'm devoted to the needs of my soul, and I trust myself, and I trust in God, and I trust in the universe. You're in the right place, right time, with the right intellect and with the right intuition and gifts. Just keep showing up, and consistency will start to snowball into bigger blessings. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.